For decades, physicists have spoken mostly of energy and particles, symmetries and laws. But as we entered the 21st century, a new word began quietly knocking on the door of physics information. Especially in the quantum world, concepts like entanglement, entropy, and information flow have started to reveal themselves not as mere side effects, but as the essence of reality itself. It is at this very juncture that a new theory has emerged: IG-RUEQFT, or information gauge renormalizable unified entanglement entropy quantum field theory. The name may be long, but its core message is simple. The true driving force of the universe is information itself. And this information acts like a force field, just like electromagnetism or gravity. In conventional physics, a gauge field such as the electromagnetic field is something that guides and directs particles, altering their motion. IG-RUEQFT introduces a completely new kind of gauge field. The information gauge field, denoted as LM lambda mu. This field reflects the flux of information through space and time. Just as heat flows from a region of high temperature, information begins to flow when entropy changes, manifesting as the LM field. But this information field is no mere mathematical ornament. It actually interacts with particles and produces real, observable effects. For instance, the phenomenon of isospin symmetry breaking seen in high energy particle collisions may be explained by subtle interference from this information field. With the symmetry structure of the strong nuclear force, physicists are now proposing that the age-old question of why do up and down quarks behave differently may not simply be answered by quark mass differences or decay ratios of phi mesons. Instead, the flow of information itself may be producing these physical effects. IG-RUEQFT goes further by unifying previous frameworks. It offers a cohesive theory that weaves together quantum field theory, entropy, gauge symmetry, and entanglement into a single explanatory fabric. In this view, information is not only a conserved physical quantity, it is the source of force itself. And when information becomes entangled, it doesn't merely represent a mathematical correlation. It physically shapes space and mediates forces between particles. Just as general relativity teaches us that gravity bends spacetime, IG-RUEQFT suggests that information can distort symmetry, turning balance into imbalance. As the flow of information increases, for instance, during violent nuclear collisions, existing symmetries come under pressure. This pressure can break isospin symmetry, changing the production ratios of particles that should otherwise be identical. It can even alter the charge ratio among kaons. And remarkably, this isn't just a theoretical prediction, it matches experimental results observed at LHC and RHIC with high precision. Even more fascinating is the idea that the information gauge field is not confined to particle physics. IG-RUEQFT opens the door to connections with cosmic expansion, dark energy, and even consciousness.